Hey guys, welcome back. We are going to talk about Instagram dark mode. Many users don't know how to disable or turn off the dark mode in or on Instagram app. This is very simple, but I request all of you do subscribe, hit the bell icon for more tech tips, tricks, and secret hacks. Just you need to click on the right bottom corner profile on your profile, then go to the top corner three bars, click on the three bars, and now you want to turn off the dark mode or enable the light mode. You can say I am already in the light mode, but if you want to change the theme dark mode to light and light mode to dark, then you must need to open setting and privacy, then click go a little down, click on the accessibility. After here you can see the options like dark mode. All right, click on that. Then if you want to turn off like this, you are in this situation, you have a dark mode. So if you want to turn off the dark mode, click on off, or if you want to enable the dark mode, then you can click on. This is very simple and easy to change the appearance on Instagram. Even you want to turn off the dark mode or change the dark mode to light mode or enable the dark mode. This is easy. I hope this tutorial found helpful. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.